How long do coughs last?
Most coughs from a cold or mild chest infection last about 1 to 3 weeks. A light leftover tickle can hang on for 3 to 4 weeks as the airways heal. If a cough lasts longer than 8 weeks, or if you have shortness of breath, chest pain, high fever, coughing blood, weight loss, or severe fatigue, see a clinician. Chronic causes like asthma, reflux, smoking, or medications may need evaluation and specific treatment.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.